Hello YouTube, this is my 2013 Ram 1500 Laramie Long Edition with the 5.7 Hemi, and I'm about to do an exhaust clip because I just ordered my American Racing headers, so I want to do a before and after clip. So right now my setup is just a, let me go to it, it's a Dynomax race bullet. It has a stock resonator, stock cats, so let's see, let's get to it, right there. So stock resonator, stock cats, and also I have a UTP electric cutout. So let's go ahead and do it with the cutout closed. It's not a cold startup, this is a warm, semi-warm, but we'll do a little rev to put you down right now. I start it off with the remote start real quick, and I work my way up to the cab. Sorry about the wind noise. So that was with it closed and with it open towards the end. You could definitely hear the sound difference, but other modifications in this truck include I have a Diablo Sport Trinity T2. Really nice tune. I have Hemifever custom tunes on it. There it is right here. There's a little shot of my interior. Super nice. I love my truck. Probably about to hit 100,000 miles. That's 97,000 miles right now. It is a Texas truck. Also, I have a S&B water intake on it. I do have electric fan on it. I deleted the mechanical clutch fan, and also I deleted my what are they called? My grill, active grill shutter, delete. Also with that, and I also have a oil catch can going. And I'm just waiting on my headers. I get them this Thursday, so now that you've heard the exhaust clip, let's go over the truck and like what I've done to it in the last 2 years of ownership. So I got a BDS suspension lift, about a year and 3 months running that. Great lift, great lift. I have the 4-corner air suspension, nothing too big. So right now it's at 4 inches, and with the air ride I could raise up to 6 inches, but I only could drive up to 25 miles an hour, which is fine. I don't need it too high, and I am running 20x12 Vision rockers with the negative 51 offset, perfect offset. Great tires. I also have power stop slotted in disc rotors, just in the front, back are okay. I do have Toyo RTs, they're 35x13.5s. I started doing red accents to the truck, but I realized I really don't want to. So that's the only red accent I have. I'm about to go back to a black emblem, but I'm gonna black out the door handle covers, keep these matte black, but I want to wrap the hood matte black. I want to get the sport hood. I wish I got the sport hood. I may get the sport hood and wrap it matte black, and then I want to wrap the hood matte black. Hopefully that the transition will look good from the matte black Raptor style grille to the matte black headlights. I got rid of the stock projector headlights because funny story, myself, I've had experience pulling apart headlights and installing halos. Well, they were chrome. This whole truck was just full of chrome pieces with the Laramie Longhorn edition, but I tried pulling them apart myself and painting them black, and when I was going to sand it, I just destroyed one of the headlights, and the replacements were like $400, $500 a piece. So I went ahead and just bought these I'm vlogging. So I had the front bumper powder coated. I'm running the stock fog lights, but I did put a LED bulb in them. I do have HIDs. What else? Let's see, under the hood. Like I said before, I did delete the mechanical clutch fan. Frees up a lot of room. I am running a V6 fan, direct plug and play. This thing's pretty cool. I mean, here in Texas, I run an average of like 203 degrees for the coolant and around 199, 198 for the oil temperature. Doesn't get hot. I do pull my 2008 Crownline 21 SS boat this summer. Does fine with the electric fan. There's a lot of people on forums saying, oh no, the mechanical fan, you need that to tow. It's gonna keep the truck cooler than an electrical fan. They're wrong. I mean, did an hour and a half drive with the trailer, did perfectly fine. So I also have the electrical fan. I do have an S&B coated intake going. Love that. I also have my oil catch can right there. I do have the active grill shudder. I mean, I don't need the fuel economy saving. I mean, I'm already lifted and with big tires, so what's the point of that? What else? Sorry about all the wiring mess. I do have my rock lights. Those are my rock lights there. What else? Let's go towards the back. I do have a blackout third brake light. Let's see. My dynomax 4-inch tips. Really great tips. I had these on a previous truck and just had to get them again. So I hope y'all enjoyed that clip of my exhaust setup currently. I will be getting back to y'all with my new exhaust clip with the American Racing headers. I'm excited for that. I'm actually very excited for that. It took a lot of work and saving to get to this point. Honestly, I mean, I'm only 18. Sorry, 19. Part-time job, full-time college student. So this is my truck. Got it 2 years, 97,000 miles. Great truck. I traded my 2006 Dodge Cummins for this. So if y'all want to see anything specific of what I've done to the truck, if any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'm pretty sure I'm forgetting something. I didn't go over everything on the truck, but this is my first video of this truck. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all have a great day.